My name is Claudia. Sorry. So for me, it's like a dry cough that it just never goes away. Like I cough since the moment I wake up, and even when I go to bed, it's still there. Like sometimes I even cough while I'm sleeping. I wake up tired, I go to bed tired. There's sometimes that I wanna go and play outside with my kids, but I'm too tired to do it. Or even if I have the energy to do it, I will go and try to play with them, and 5 minutes later I will be in the floor coughing like crazy. I want to start crying. Sorry. They don't understand why their mom cannot run behind them, and why I cannot go on roller skate with them, or why I cannot jump on their skateboard and go behind them without having a attack of coughing. I went to so many doctors. I have done so many different kind of testing, trying to figure out what was going on, and they all give me different medications, and this one was not working. Try this one, it's not working. So it's very, very frustrating and stressful. I wish for something that will finally make me stop coughing.